no. Hiccups again? Let's get rid of them fast. First things first, grab a glass of water. Now, take a deep breath and hold it. While holding your breath, sip the water slowly. Keep sipping until you can't hold your breath any longer. Feeling better? If not, try this. Pinch your nose and swallow 3 times. Or chew on a lemon slice. Trust me, it works. Still there? Last trick up my sleeve. Stick your tongue out and hold it for a few seconds. Looks silly, but it stops those hiccups. So next time you've got the hiccups, you're all set with these quick fixes. Give them a try and let me know which one worked for you in the comments. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome tips. Bye!